Welcome to another Rocket Media software technology video broadcast. This episode presents creating a RESTful MVC Web App in Visual Studio 2022. This project is set up around a database-first approach. An MS SQL database and associated table has been created in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Our database is named WorldDB, and the table is named Airport. There are 9 fields and 7,636 entries in the Airport table. First, I'll create a new ASP.NET Core web app of the Model View Controller variety in Visual Studio 2022. Next, I'll add SQL Client and Entity Framework NuGet packages. Next, I'll connect to our database. Now, let's look at some code. Next, I'll scaffold up some DB context for our database connection. Inside the Models folder, we have the WorldDB context and the Airport model files created with the DB context scaffold. Next, I'll scaffold up the controllers to match our models. Next, I'll modify the nav bar for our views to point to the Airport's controller. Okay then, let's test fly this thing. Seems to be a problem opening our database. The name in quotes doesn't look familiar. I'll look into the app settings JSON file to see what's going on. Aha! There it is. Seems to me our database is named WorldDB, not GeoApp Context, whatever. So, let's get the actual connection string from the Server Explorer window. Here, I've copied and pasted the connection string into the appsettings.json file. Let's see how it runs now. Oop, there it is. So, our database displays, and there's CRUD functionality here too. This view could use some search and paging functionality. Also, I'd tidy up the labels. Well, thanks for viewing another Rocket Media software technology video broadcast. This episode presented building a database-first MVC Web App in Visual Studio 2022. See you next time.